You get baritone, oh, this guy.
And they sing all those opera.
Oh yeah, wait. Do voiceover. Read this thing now. Read from here to here. Do one for baritone. Make them know say no be only this hustle you sabi. Make them know say you fit. Who knows? They fit just give you one deal now to they do voicing. Oh yeah, one time.
A woman went to the hospital complaining of stomach pains, was understandably surprised to learn she was 9 months pregnant and gave birth an hour later. Thank you very much.
I whip my hair. You don't spoil it. I whip my hair back and forth.
No, but I like to sing all those baritone things.
You don't spoil. Person will won't give you work now. If you see this one, join and now you don't offer.
This one, opera. You know how people fit? They don't. Yeah. Don't they play? Oh, this one. You know how many job I don't think I get. I just get one berry I sing last week. Last year.
Only you made a get berry a job. Keep quiet, man. Give them yan. I go enter your shot. I go enter your shot.
Amen. Yes, talk.
All right, this next gist, they make me happy. I just a sweet belly on top of this particular one because in a London place, that place where I grew up from, you know, yeah.
Onira.
But no song.
It's too early. Monday morning
live.
lie.
They cramp my style.
Monday morning.
I don't like camp. Make everybody they lie their lie.
I go cramp.
Now your lie.
This year.
Now your lie.
I not talking before. Say.
Everybody they lie their lie.
You go thief.
I agree.
You will thief.
I agree.
You
Man,
will
they lie
thief.
I beg.
You
in
go
the
rob.
London place. In the London place, in my place, talk to the hand. The face is busy, man. Duh.
Touch the hand.
Oh, in the London place, I repeat it again, where I grew up from. Now, in that place, a woman, she just sit down for house. She say, "Belle de pena." She can't tell her grandmama, say, "Grandma, could you please drive me to the hospital, please?" Oh. You know. Now, the grandmama can say, "Okay, let us go to the hospital and check what is paining you in your stomach." When she get there, now the doctor tell her, say, "Kathy, her name is Kathy Kropas. She's 23 years old."
They speak English.
She's 23. As we just reached there, you know, I'm not gonna believe this thing. They tell her, say, she did 1 hour to born belle.
Hey!
Perhaps she don't be 9 months pregnant. She don't even know.
I didn't know I was pregnant.
She just go complain, say, belle de pain, and then they tell her, say, 1 hour from now, woman, you will have a child.
Great things are happening.
I'm telling you, she first looked there and said, are they okay? Are they all right? Are they insane? I'm telling you, now she born healthy baby boy. 10 LB, 20 Z baby girl. Sorry, now she born. Very, very healthy picking.
And they wonder, wait.
She talks, say she did on birth control. She talks, say she don't see her period. Say she just noticed, say she had small weight. But during that Christmas period, she thinks say now over chop. She no get any sign, no monies, nothing. Her period was normal, nothing. She just go say belle de pain, the lower part of the belle de pain. When she reach hospital, and they say enter theater, madam, you won't born.
So this one, now she's not even prepared for the picking.
Nothing.
Now me say, hey.
And they tell you truth.
So, but the
and then her boyfriend, when the boyfriend called the mama, say your pikin don't born, the mama say you must be joking. What's wrong with you?
But even the thing self, the guy self, you will know what I mean the papa of the pikin self.
You used to ask now. Because this day, faithfulness is not a
because the guy feel talk say, come, baby, when we calculate it, maybe not 4 months boyfriend now. Maybe not 4 months boyfriend. Come go collect 9 months baby. From where? From where?
You get it.
Yeah? 4 months boyfriend collect 9 months baby. If there's problem, something.
The math is not okay.
Sorry, calculation and everything. Come. Is it Kingsley? Is it Donatus?
Yeah.
Is it Effion?
Or it can be James and his brother.
Or something. Is it Is it Gos?
Yeah.
Is it Abe?
Yeah.
Who is somebody?
Somebody.
You know?
Yeah. Is it Two-Face?
Yeah. No, I'm not sure. No, you don't stop. You know the pure again.
Oh, okay, that is it. So now the story be that.
Yeah, we thank God.
Anyway, she dey happy.
But you get one kind of program like that for TV. I didn't know I was pregnant.
Yeah, it happen well when people don't go know say they get belle and they go and they tell you this thing. It gets one too where happen where cause controversy for church. The girl no know so she get belle. She go hospital just go check normal checkup and then they tell her say madam enter theater you won't born.
That's why I dey tell some girls not they shout anyhow because the guy you take shout. Ah!
You go just come up. Pew!
Hey, mama, no boy. You don't go fierce play. So please be careful. Okay, I got one very short one for you. Oh, this guy is touching my heart. You understand? You know the guy with the sing, all of you, love all of you, all my inspiration, give your all to me.
I give my all to you.
Wow. John Legend, recently, so him and the wife, they come out go for this particular pre-Golden Globe party for L.A. Now, John Legend looking wife say, baby, I don't want to kiss you in the mouth. Say, baby, calm down. You know where kissing wife?
Yeah.
On top Bobby. Hey! John Legend, romance won't kill this guy. Hey! You know, say wife name now, Chrissy Teigen. And look, so you say, baby, on top
it's
the
my
Bobby.
own.
I died there.
I died there.
I died be the caption for this one. Hashtag I died there.
there.
Yeah, baby girl. Now, wife you use for that video.
Wow.
For the All of Me video. Now, wife you use. No, you know, but
now in property now.
in property, this
anyhow
landed
you want,
property.
you can do it.
You understand? So you do it anyhow. Now my own. You know when they don't born.
If I
now
like, I use straw. If I like, I use hose.
Hose.
If I like, I use anything. Now my
if
own.
I like, anyhow.
That's why they say when you legally have it, it's okay.
You understand? You wake up midnight anytime where you.
Yeah. Now when you the thief and chop, now in problem.
Nine problem day. So all the thief and chop in my why?
We look quiet, your man. We look quiet. You want make I begin count them now? We look quiet.
See, I'm telling you something. This girl, look, legalize it.
Only you waka come quiet. Keep quiet.
Yeah. Okay. You just know as it everything till they go sharp.
Follow us for Twitter.
At Wazobia PADI.
Ogbolo, why you dey disrespectful like this?
How? What's happening?
Why you dey disrespectful? Which kind sharp info be this?
Please follow us on Twitter. I beg, make una follow us on top Twitter. At Wazobia PADI. I'll go follow una back. All right, you know what I'm saying? Now we can enter laugh the laugh things and every. You know,
I'm telling you,
like,
this is the best show ever.
This
is the best show ever. If you know they watch PADI, you are strictly on your own.
Like God, you know,
laugh the laugh. We shall be right back.
Jeez. Let's go. Anywhere I put the yam, pound it. Anywhere I put the yam, pound it. Anywhere I put the yam, pound it.
Now, what you supposed to do for men when they respect themselves? You know, say, get some men when women they cook for kitchen. Now, so they go come, they go to chicken, they go to chicken. You get to when mama see they do me that time. If I say, mommy, let me test, you can't use hot spoon. Pa!
No. That wiping for mouth, not be joking.
No, but the thing first demand. Now, wait, you bring the yam, kuku pound down for your mouth.
Anyway, I put it. You say that in the first follow order. If I put the yam here, pound down. Take it away.
That was funny. I bet we get more pictures before we wrap up the show. Quick.
Yeah, quickly. Oh, that one touch me.
Hi. All these your family members, but I no go they talk to them. Civilization don't come. This na 2015.
I go tell you.
Why they see they do 1204 moves?
This na the 2015 look. This 2015 look. We put feathers somewhere. Selfie, Lomo. Selfie, Lomo. Their daddy. Yeah? You know.
This not the family.
I'm just chilling. Yeah.
Omo forget, this guy na nigga that year. All the girls for village, omo na this guy. Forget.
Nah, Charlie boy be this man. Angel bike you. Do you wanna take a ride?
I want my ride.
Ninja bike you.
See, guy that year. Anybody where this guy toast?
Only in Africa.
My brother. The crocodile will do mistake come. You go see where they make crocodile soup now.
She don't say the crocodile at the length of the crowd though.
Crocodile pepper soup now they want to say everybody cut your part. Everybody cut your part.
Before you come as in macheting like this. Hey.
What is this now?
Okay. This one just some dude checking his wall on Facebook.
That was funny. The cuckoo face wall.
All right. You know, say today, Monday, and everybody would always suggest, I beg, as they carry go work, just make sure. Say for those of you now, they go work and those with their house and everybody, keep positive attitude. Okay, it's very, very important. Say, keep positive attitude. Don't think bad thing. Because bad thing, the more they think, and the more it will happen for your life.
Oh, yeah. And I also agree, say, for everybody where they there, you need to understand, say, Harmattan period we dey. And Harmattan period, people, they prone to fire. So they very, very careful. Anything can spark up electricity. Or you talk something, I have to say something.
See, as you talk this thing now, you just say, your legend and the wife kiss.
Yeah.
You understand? So now, this period, please, they careful about the kiss where you can't kiss the kiss, please. Because if dry lips touch dry lips, friction, fire feel go catch. You understand? Lunch here. All of me, love all of you. My wife, you know, brush.
You be fool.
We go see.
You be fool. Ah, this guy.
Ah, I win.